Previously on Werner's Adventures, we explored the old ruins of the Ketchowla station, which once operated as a sheep station in the mid-north region of South Australia. In 40-degree hot conditions, we were very worn and heat-stressed, and decided to explore the Ketchowla Homestead and everything close by. Driving the dirt road heading towards Ketchala, we stop at an old homestead, abandoned and in disrepair. The property homesteads are situated in the locality of Pine Creek, about 32 kilometres from the tiny town of Terowie. Driving the dusty dirt roads, which is composed of open plains and saltbush country. There's not much water, and only having several bores for drinking water. It's very dry, arid land of South Australia. Ketchala was established in 1852 when Christopher Giles, who had only arrived in the colony in 1849, took up the lease. Giles advertised the property to be put up for auction in 1860 when it occupied an area of 135 square miles. Giles had a flock of 3,700 sheep and 2 bores that were watered by a spring. A short walk north are the stockyards and 4 other huts. Huge dust storms would frequent the area, and in 1929 described as the worst storm in 50 years. Then in 1950, Ketchala and the surrounding areas received near record rainfall, recording over 5 inches in February. Join me now as I explore another abandoned homestead not far away from the Ketchala station. Alright, let's have a look at this. See if there's an old vehicle in there. Let's hope a roo doesn't come jumping out at me. No. Yeah. Not much in there. Alright, but have a look at this. How cool is that? That is one nice homestead. Alright, let's go in and explore it. Alright. Just gotta watch where you walk here because there's asbestos down here. And I wouldn't be able to wear a mask today. It's just way too hot. I think it's about 40 now. 40 degrees. If you want to work that out,
Oh, let's hope this isn't locked up, but I don't think it is. I think we can get into it. Right. Look at that old power board. That's cool. All the old circuit breakers. Yeah. Yeah, oh, it's so cool in here. Oh, this is a bliss. This is so cool. Oh, just looking at these cupboards as you walk in. Yeah, man, it is nice. I don't want to leave. Roof.
Oh, there's a dead kangaroo there.
No. Wood.
Yeah, this is the kitchen, I think.
Right. Okay, here's the kitchen. I reckon at one stage there might have been a wood oven in there.
Go over here.
Not sure.
Oh, here's a big old stove. Check this out. This is an Everhot Deluxe 204. That's a big.
Go into this room. Floor's actually missing from here, so. Oh well. Yeah, I'm just paranoid now that a room might jump out at me because I've been in two houses now where there's been I went into another homestead and a roo went jumping through the back. I heard a noise and I thought it might have been a goat, but no, it was definitely a roo. So he went jumping out. Yeah, oh gee, these floors are a bit. Oh well, we won't be going through there over that. But look at that old fireplace. Alright, let's try to squeeze past here. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, okay. Every room's got no floorboards. I thought this would be a good one. Yeah, that's weird.
My favourite piece so far in terms of glass work is definitely.
Oh my goodness, what the hell is in that fire pit? The hell is that? Oh, I thought it was some sort of animal, but it's not. All right. Well, there wasn't really much to this one, but I'm just gonna have a look. Wow. There's Heather.
I can see straight
Oh, we can't get in there, but oh well.
Oh, that would be stained glass.
coolest place in the house. That's where the shower would have been. Alright. Let's have a look. Ugh. Goodness me. So many kangaroos around. There's flies in here. I don't know if you can hear them. Ugh. Alright, I'm going to have a look at these sheds, see what's in those. It's just way too hot today. These explores that I'm doing, it's normally I get a lot of detail, but today it's just too hot. I'm just going to show you the basics. Yeah, cool. Just give me a sec, everyone, and I'll just get a photo of that. Alright. I won't worry about going in there. Just got to watch out for snakes. Another kangaroo. Oh man. Why is there so many kangaroos dying? Right. Wow, that homestead's so cool. Alright. We're going to get the drone out and we're going to do a quick drone flyover. So we'll see you at the next location.
Now do a short fly over the ruins of Ketchowla, which offer some very important South Australian history. In the 1850s, Christopher Giles, father of the famous explorers Ernest and Alfred Giles, acquired Ketchowla Station and originally established his head station approximately 3 kilometres north of the now derelict homestead at a place known as The Springs. Because of its permanent water supply, it made the perfect place to establish the homestead in an otherwise waterless landscape. Like all parts of South Australia, a permanent supply of water also meant that it was an important place for the Australian wildlife to forage for sustainably drinking